Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT, Technical and Medical Campus. Today topic is share and share capital of a company. Share capital is a amount of money that a company receives by the sale of its share. Company refer that the amount of money which a company use of a commerce in business and acquire movable and immovable property in the required of running of business. मीन्स कि हमारी जो कैपिटल होती है वो हमारा क्या होती है, प्राइम रिक्वायरमेंट होती है किसी भी कंपनी की, बिकॉज ऑल कॉमर्शियल एंड इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटी बाय द कंपनी पॉसिबल ओनली दैट ऑफ द कंपनी कैपिटल आज जो एक्वायर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फॉर द फंक्शनिंग, कि हमने जितनी भी कैपिटल को क्या किया एक्वायर किया है उसी से ही हमें अपने क्या करनी होती है, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड फंक्शनिंग करनी होती है, और हमारी जितनी भी कंपनी के लिए इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटी होती हैं वो हमें क्या करनी होती है, परफॉर्म करनी होती हैं. शेयर कैपिटल ऑफ ए कंपनी इज ए कैपिटल दैट ए मनी कंपनी एक्वायर ऑन द सेल ऑफ इट्स शेयर, कि जिसके थ्रू हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने सेल को सिक्वायर कर सकते हैं सेल ऑफ शेयर ऑफ थ्रू के थ्रू. द कंपनी शेयर इज ए कलेक्टिंग बाय द ए जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी फ्रॉम ए बिजनेस ऑपरेशनल्स. Share capital is the amount of capital collecting from its shareholder for the achieving the common goal of the company as in starting memorandum of associations. Classes of the capital share according to the section 90 of company ordinance, a company have a different kinds and classes of the share capital as providing by this memorandum and article of a association. Kinds of share company. फर्स्ट वन authorization capital, nominal capital या registration capital. The amount of a capital with which a company is registered is called of a authorized capital. Authorized capital is the amount of the total value of share that company is authorized by the offer of the public for the subscription. This authorization capital. Second, issue capital. Issue capital is a part of the authorization capital which is the actual issue to the public for sale is issued capital. Third one, subscription capital. Subscription capital is the a part of issue capital which is taken up the acceptable by the public. Is a public accepted by total capital issue, then issue capital be equally of the subscription capital. Second one, paid up capital. It means a amount paid up the share capital. Unpaid up capital, it means the amount of the money on the issue of the capital that has been called in a subscription at a note to pay within a specified time. Called up capital, it means the amount of money that a company called up on the issue capital on the subscribed and required to pay within a specified time. Reserve capital, a company at a time, a company may feel that a will not require which capital for the future business. In such case, by a special resolution of the board, the company revise a part of the uncalled capital, reserve of the unpaid capital and shareholder.